up? What's up? What's up? Welcome to Whipping It Up with Cherie Irby. I am feeling good. How are y'all feeling? I hope y'all are feeling okay. Okay. All right. I'm glad to hear that. So we got a video tonight. As you see it. We got some eggs here. So that means we're gonna be making something pretty cool. We're gonna be making tuna fish tonight. And I want to make it with y'all. So it's so many ways how to make tuna fish, y'all, but I'm gonna show you how I'm making it tonight. So we're gonna start out. My eggs have already been boiled. I've already cracked them. This one right here kind of got in a fight on the way out the pot. So, but yeah, he's still going in the pot. Actually, I'm gonna cut him up first. So y'all put in the comment box how y'all like to make y'all's tuna fish salad, because there's so many ways you can make it. It's so many ingredients you can put, and I just want to know how y'all eat y'all's, because this is pretty much how I eat mine. And there's so many things you can add to it. You can add celery, which we're gonna be adding tonight. You can add some onions. I've seen people put pecans in it. So it's several things that you can put in it. I've even seen somebody put green beans in it to kind of make it stretch. You could put corn in it. I know when we was younger, my mom used to put peas or either corn in it because we had so many of us when we were little. So I'm gonna be honest, they had to stretch the food that we had, and that was one of the ways how my parents did it. So, but tonight, all I'm doing, y'all, you want to get you a good knife and dice up your eggs how you like it in your tuna salad. For me, it don't bother me to cut them up in my hands. I've been doing it for so long. I'm pretty much not gonna cut myself. I know how deep to slide that knife, that blade across my fingers. As you see, I'm not bleeding. My hands have been washed. And you always want to, when you're getting ready to be in the kitchen, you want to wash your hands, okay? Because we touch so many things. You want to start off with clean hands with whatever we cooking in our kitchen, okay? So see how I know how to glide my finger across that knife to not cut it? Yeah, I'm pretty good like that. So, so I'm going to get that out the way. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to add in, let me clean my hands a little bit. I'll bring y'all right back. All right, y'all, so I had to clean my hands. I had the egg on it. So we are going to go ahead and take this knife out because we are through chopping. So we got some sweet relish that I'm going to be adding in. And y'all, let me tell y'all something. Y'all make it how y'all want it. This is how I'm making it. That's enough for me. I put about 1.5 tablespoons of sweet relish. So a lot of people use dill pickle relish, and that is fine. If that's what you like, please, by all means, put that in there. I just don't like dill. I like the sweet relish. And so now I'm going to go in with the tuna fish. I got an 11-ounce family size. I caught these on sale at the grocery store, so I got 2 of them. But tonight I'm only going to be making 1 pack because I only had 5 eggs that I put in here. And so I'm going to dump this over into my bowl because, y'all, this 11-ounce bag here, you see how much it put in there? It puts a whole lot in there. So I didn't need 2 packs. That would have been too much for the eggs that I had. And it's already been drained, the pack that I got. So as you see, it's not that much liquid because it's already been drained. So let me just set that to the side. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and do my seasonings. I'm gonna do my celery last. So seasonings, we're gonna be using Old Bay. Anybody know something about Old Bay? Old Bay is meant for seafood, and what it has in it is paprika, celery seed, red pepper, salt, and a little sugar is already in here, but they don't put enough in there to taste like how I want it to taste. So that's what's already in Old Bay. So I won't be using paprika because it's gonna already have that red flavor, that red color. I mean, all right. So that's that, and the next thing I'm going in with is my Mrs. Dash Everything But the Salt, which is one of my favorite seasonings, as y'all know if you've been following the channel already. So I'm not going to put that much of that in there. Next, I'm going in with my house seasoning. And y'all, I got an email about this. I was going to tell y'all tonight. So with my the email that I got from one of my subscribers, she said, Cherie, I got a question. She said, you got your house seasoning in a bottle that says garlic powder. How do you know the difference between the real garlic powder and your house seasoning? So the big difference is, y'all, garlic powder is a whitish, yellowish color. This, as you see, has plenty of specks in it, which means it's other seasonings that's in it. So that's how I know the difference. And because I'm in the kitchen all the time, and I know pretty much how I make my stuff, okay? So I'm going in with, and thank you for that question to my subscriber. I did say I wasn't going to call them out. So I'm going in with some more sugar. This is probably about 1 tablespoon, which is, not going to be too sweet. So next, I'm going to push this to the side, and we're going to go in and cut some celery. I love celery in my salad stuff like this, like chicken salad, tuna salad, salmon salad. I really love it, okay? So I'm going to go ahead. These have already been washed, and I'm pretty much going to put a stock. So about 5 pieces, which is equal out to a stock. I don't want too much celery in my tuna salad. So I'm just going to cut it down the middle. Then cut it again. I don't want my pieces too big. So I'm just going to dice it up. That's what this is called, when you dice them small like that. Because nobody wants to bite down in a tuna salad into a chunk of celery. This is not soup where you can, cube them. So no, we're not doing no big pieces like that. So again, I'm going to do this one the same way. And y'all make sure you're using knife safety when you're in the kitchen cutting your food up, okay? We don't want to be taking nobody to the hospital. And actually, I'm using the wrong knife. I should be using a chef knife. But I'm pretty good at using a knife in the kitchen. I took commercial foods when I was in high school. And so I pretty much learned the basics of how to navigate around the kitchen from commercial foods. And then I used to watch my parents cook, and my aunts and my grandmother. I used to watch them cook when I was a kid. So pretty much I found my way around the kitchen way younger than when I got in high school at 16 or 15. So I love being in the kitchen. I like you know, playing around with different gadgets, and I like to have colorful utensils like my spoon that I got here. I like colors. This kind of look like a cupcake confetti. I like stuff like that. It makes me happy, y'all, when I see color or stuff in the kitchen. That's why when I use these boards that I make myself, color makes me happy. So I'm gonna be honest, my kitchen is one of those that nothing matches. Like, I got all kind of colors in my kitchen, so I don't like to have it uniform. I mean, maybe as I get older, I may make it uniform, like, you know, black and white or silver, all stainless steel stuff. But right now, I'm liking color because it makes me happy. So you do whatever makes you happy in your kitchen and go with it. You know, you don't have to be like nobody else, or you don't have to do what the trend is or what the world is saying that, you know, your kitchen or bathroom, whatever. You don't have to go by what everybody else says. You do it how you like it. So y'all, this is enough celery. This is a perfect size for me. This is what's called a diced method, okay? And one day I'm going to do a video on dicing. I'm just going to have a bunch of vegetables and I'm going to, you know, show you how to dice. But that's how I like it. And, you know, when you're doing your food, y'all, take your time and do it right. That way, you know, you're taking pride in what you're feeding your family and your loved ones, okay? So next up, we have the mayonnaise, which is the star. Well, one of the stars. This is a supporting cast. So we're using Hellmann's mayonnaise. You can use any kind of mayonnaise you want. So I'm going to dump some of this in here. And as you see, I'm starting off with probably a tablespoon first, because I don't want it too wet. So that's about a tablespoon and a half that I'm starting out with. Some people put mustard in their tuna. I've had it with mustard. Tonight, I don't know if I'm going to put mustard in it. I think I'm just going to do straight mayonnaise. So I'm going to get this mixed up, and I'll bring y'all back, okay? Alright, y'all, so I got this mixed up, and it's looking pretty good. It came out perfect. It's just the amount of creaminess that I like. I don't like my tuna fish to be runny. So I got a container right here. Then I'm going to just keep this in the refrigerator for, like, when I want just a quick little snack, want to make a quick sandwich with some croissant rolls or something, it's going to be in the refrigerator. And I don't have to go out to pick up nothing from a restaurant, fast food, something like that. And I got something made in the refrigerator, okay? So this is our tuna fish, and it was the right amount for my bowl that I've got. Now, I appreciate y'all stopping by and making tuna fish with me. If you do try it, please put it in the comments and let me know that you tried my recipe. Oh, for the seasonings, I probably use about a teaspoon of each. The house seasoning, the Mrs. Dash, and the Old Bay. So that's all the seasonings that we use. And so I hope y'all have a good night. Take care of your families. Make something good to eat. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye-bye.